Hello there world, this is going to be a very quick video. It is not a tutorial or a how-to. It is simply a before, a little bit of the prep work, and then a video of the actual finished outcome on this finish that I'm trying to perfect. I just showed a little bit right here of the amount of damage. It was a thrift store find, and it already kind of had some repair work done. So it took me a long time, a lot of scrubbing. I used Gorilla Glue and wood putty and a lot of sandpaper. But the prep work definitely was worth it, because in the very end, it ended up just looking fabulous. And I absolutely love finding these old pieces, even though, as you can see, they're filthy. This was just the first little scrub. This is probably a 1920s, 30s. It's an Eastlake Victorian dresser. The marble was also extremely stained. It had some chips in it. So I used unicorn spit and did a marble finish as well. And then I'm working on perfecting this metallic color shift type finish. At the moment, it is not economical and it is not easy, and this entire piece actually took me probably about a month to finish. So that's why it's not really a how-to. But the bottom line is metallic sprays, color shift, paints. You can put micas into different mediums, things like that, and get this finish. I'm working on eventually getting this narrowed down so that I can do a full bedroom set. I also actually have another one of these dressers that I did a completely different finish on, and I'll have that video coming up soon. So if you like things like this and saving old pieces and unusual finishes, subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye-bye.